Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a classic song as the Panteth 4, and I'm going to be showing you different ways of playing the song. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you the simple way of playing it for beginners, then add some things to it to help you. But before then, I would like to talk to you about my website, the Love World Music Training Center. I have a tutorial for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you're just watching my video for the very first time, you can visit the website. The link of the website is in the description box. I've arranged videos of 36 of them from day 1 to all the keys. So check it up and then go through the course, and you should be on your way to understand almost everything I do. Alright, so I'm going to be playing it in the key of F. Alright. These are the chords and then the scale for the key of F. So let me try and play it as simple as I can, then add some chords to it. So I'm going to be showing you the progression as I play it. So as the deep panted for the water, so my soul longed after thee. You alone are my heart desire, and I long to worship you. So first of all, you can play it with a note. So it starts on a chord 1 like this, to a 7, and at 4 to a chord 6. Then you play a C minor, the water song, with a 1 and a 3. So this is a chord 4. Then you play a chord 2, long after thee. You play suspended on your right, a chord 5. So it's a 1, 7, 6, then a 5. But you essentially playing a flat 7 chord. Okay, so it's a 1. Sorry, it's not a flat. Yeah, it's a flat 7 chord. All right. So it's like playing a 5 on the left, and then playing the flat chord on the right. So as the deep panted for the water, so my soul 4. Then you do a 2, long after thee. Then you alone are my heart desire, and I long 4. Then you move to 5, to worship you. Then you do a 7 before you move to a 6. So to worship you. You alone are my strength, my shield. So you alone, you do a 6. You alone. Okay, a 6. Da da da. A 4. You can do a 3 like this. Then you move back. You alone to the 4. Then you do a flat 7. Makes my spirit real. Okay. So you alone. That's a 6. Are my strength. 4. My shield. That's 3. Then you do a 4 again. You alone to the flat 7 makes my spirit real. Okay, so you play a 5/1 or like this. Then you come back again. You alone are my heart desire, and I long to worship you. So essentially, when you're starting, it's a descending chord, it's a descending progression rather. So from the 1, you move to a 7, a 6, a flat 7 to 4, long header, that's 2, then a 5, then you do a you alone are my heart desire, and I long to worship. Okay, so you can maintain the like this. Okay, so most essentially you're playing a 2/5 like this. To you, then you come and do 6. You alone are my strength, my shield. So to a 4 to a 3, then you do you alone makes my spirit. This time around you're playing the flat 7 across, then you play 5/1. Okay, then you alone are my strength, her desire, and I long to worship you. So as a beginner, that's how you play it, from a 1, 7, 6 like that. All right, so let's throw some weights on it. So okay, secondly, let me show you how to play it simply with only the melody. So let's do it again. So you can choose to play the melody like that as you play the chord. Okay, so you can do the water so my soul So in this way, you're playing a 7. Sorry, a 7, 3, 6. So let's do it. As the day parted for the water, so my soul longed after thee. So you're doing as the day. You're playing a 3, 6, 2. Then you play the minor C minor or the flat 7 over the 5 to 1 to 4. Okay, so as the day. Okay, so let me play it how I'll play it. Okay, so as the day. Okay, so as the D, the 7 you play like this. You play a 2 over the 7. So as the day parted for the water, so my soul. I can skip the 2 and even come to 5. Longer after day. Alright, so let's do it again. As the day parted for the water, so my soul longed after thee. So in simple ways, you can play from 1, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So again, you can play the normal 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Okay, so let's see how it will be like. Okay. As the day. Okay, so as the day panted for the water, so my soul longed after thee. You alone are my heart desire, and I long to worship you. You alone are my strength. So that place, you alone are my strength, my shield. Then you do. You alone makes my spirit shrill. Then you alone are my God. This place you can do it. So da, 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 da. So you do a 3, 4, 5, then you do a flat 5, then 5, go to a 5 and then 1. So let me do again. You alone are my strength, my shield. You alone makes my spirit yield. You alone are my desire, and I long to worship you. Alright, so I pray you're able to go through it and then understand it for the beginners. 1 like that. Alright, So thank you for watching, and I've been having some requests on me doing songs in particular keys. All right, so I that is the reason I did the beginner course for those who don't understand or who don't who would not be able to play all the keys, so that when you learn a song you can transpose it into the next key. So I'll be doing a series of ear training tutorials for you to be able to train your ear, and then how to transpose a song from one key to the other. For example, I just played in F. If I was supposed to play in B flat, I should be able to transpose or pick the progression by listening to the song, knowing which chord is played at which place, and then transpose everything or move it to the key of B flat so that it will become. Like that. If I wanted to play it in a different key, all right, so I'll be teaching you how to train your ear, okay, so that when I teach a song you can just pick the progression and send it to a different key and then play it as you want it. So thank you for being a part of this tutorial, and God bless you.